Hey there, everybody. It's Kevin Smith here at First Team Real Estate in Southern California. Today, I wanted to talk about a topic that came up with my clients who are purchasing a new property in San Clemente, California, and that's solar panels. Are solar panels worth it here in Southern California in Orange County? The utility rates here in California are a little bit higher than the average. Southern California Edison is the highest electricity rated company in the nation. Their average kilowatt hour is anywhere between 28 cents to 35 cents per kilowatt hour, whereas the national average is 17. So that makes more sense here in California that getting solar panels will definitely help you in reducing your electricity usage. The second is the average cost of the solar panel system. So most solar panel systems run anywhere between $15,000 and $25,000. The good news is, as of before the big bill, you would get a 30% tax write-off with the incentive, so your taxes would be reduced. But because of the big beautiful bill, that credit may go away or will be going away by December 31st of 2025. So if you are looking to use the credit, you need to get on the stick right now, since this is now September of 2025, and get the system installed before the end of the year. Now, that being said, with the credit, now there's different ways to do this, right? So you can pay cash, you can finance it with a loan, or you can even do a lease system. By owning it usually gives you the best long-term return. Bottom line though is, if you're thinking about doing this before 2020, again, you must get this on your calendar right away. So reach out to your nearest solar panel system company and get them out there so you can have it done by the end of December. All right, so the savings and the payback in Orange County, California, solar typically pays for itself in about 6 to 9 years if you're purchasing the system. Shorter if the utility rates are rising or going up in a little bit faster than other areas of the country. Systems last about 25 to 30 years. So meaning 15 to 20 years of free electricity is actually a break even at that point. Homeowners usually save about $60,000 to $100,000 in avoiding utility bills over the life of the system, depending on the system size, of course, and the amount of rate and usage that you have. Now, the net energy metering, or the NEM 3.0, California current policy, the NEM 3.0 was effective April of 2023, which reduced the export credits for excess power and sent it back to the grid. This makes battery storage, if your system doesn't come with a battery storage, you should think about getting the actual battery to help store the energy that you'll be producing when it's cheaper. And then when you're having to pay for your own electricity, you have that storage that will be able to effectively run your property a lot cheaper. And this could save anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 in cost. Now, I'm also asked, is it worth the money? So here in Orange County, the cost of those solar panel systems, depending on the size, of course, is anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000. But statistics and studies show that the resale value in Southern California, with the system actually being paid off, does receive your money back at the resale. So cities like Irvine, Mission Viejo, and San Clemente, where they have some of the highest bills, those are definitely areas where you will retain that money and get it back after you go to sell your home. So I hope all these points help you with your decisions, and if and when or you decide to get the solar power system. Again, if you're feeling you're needing to get it done so you can get the credit, you better get on that right now before the end of the year. If not, hope you had a great week. We'll look forward to speaking to you all again soon. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.